Fourth year final, BBA management. Actually, this paper is very important for all level students of management and of overall of the business faculty. Bank management and functions and activities in relation to banks and the financial institutions of the top urgent issues and papers for the students of business all level. So, in terms of discussion regarding the banking operations for loan, steps of loan. First time, applicant must procure first the loan application form, prescribed application form, and this has to be fill up very systematically and with professionalism. No haphazard system. Right way, right information, right messages should be pointed and mentioned. Irregular and discrepancies must be avoided. So that the banks will be able to understand the actual necessity requirement or authenticity of the applicant. If it's not properly and right way it has been prepared and submitted to the bank, then no use. So, first fulfilling the form, applicant first submit this form to the bank. And then collecting the necessary information. First, with the very submission of the application for loan, then bank has to search the actual capacity condition, performance, and the reasons of asking for loan. All these things they must verify and check. In this relation, the company which is asking for loan, bank should need to understand how far its managerial skill, efficiency, and technical knowledge, know-how. At the same time, its financial strength, equity participation, banks need to know. At the same time, the goods and services this company wants to produce, or already the existing plant is there to manufacture such type of goods and services for the right quality maintaining, and the right information and messages are available. Bank has to collect this information. And collecting this information, bank has to assess right way, and not only right in the best way. To clarify is, then bank will have to also justify its trade license, registration certificate, export-import license, and membership of the professional organizations, then different others, all sorts of documents or papers needed for approval of the loan. Then credit analysis. Credit analysis, yes, whom bank wants to provide loan facilities. In that case, bank needs to understand whether and how far the skill and efficiency of the management of that organization asking for loan. And at the same time is equity participation capacity, land building, status of the technology, status of its marketing. If the things are fine and okay, then the bank will be very much interested and inclined to sanction loan facilities to that client. Bank must need to know, yes, how far the status of that bank, very positive, and they have enough financial capacity and capability. Then bank will be interested or inclined to sanction loan for that organization. Then to take the final decision by the bank. It starts from the lower level. Yes, initially from the advance loan and advance officer, then to the senior level, then local office or then the head office. If all these persons are satisfied with that gentleman, he is asking for a low amount of money, and then the bank will have to assess, yes, how far the capability of that gentleman, Mr. A, and he can be able to to pay back installments. Any bank is satisfied with the legality of the, with the legality and performance, automation technology, market status, recovery system techniques, methodology, all these things are okay, no problem. Then bank will sanction and approve the loan. Then preparing documents. When someone, a certain firm, applying for loan, then and there he should have to prepare some papers, have to complete some paperwork. Or we say for the he should have, that firm should have a trade license, that firm should have marketing capability, that should have the technical skill and powerful marketing people. Those will be able to capture the market. At the same time, a relationship with the external affairs within the country and outside the country. And then preparing of the documents. Banks preparing of the documents, both sides. Several documents are needed. From the side of the importer should have to prepare several items. Several items are basing upon that prepared paper. Bank will have to settle up name, address, the quantity of loan, the types of loan, durability, rate of interest, such type of multivalent sources of revenue of banks and of the financial institutions. Now the question is point like to discuss. There is a sign of agreement and loan disbursement. Yeah. During the time of the preparing of the papers and documents, bank has to go for arranging an agreement with the first party and second party, with an agreement between the first party and second party. Then that agreement must be as per maintaining the rules and regulations of the bank and the Disbursement Act and the system of the bank, sanctioning the loan and approval and mentioning the providing mentioning some conditions as how this loan will be operated. If it fails, then the loan receiver will be liable for that purpose. Okay, and then so there should have an agreement between the two parties, and thus the bank will disburse approved loan. Unless the receiver is not withdrawing money from the bank, the sanctioned amount of money, the bank will be not liable. The party will not be liable to pay the installment amount. Then monitoring and supervising the implementation of loan agreement. Monitoring and supervising the implementation of loan agreement. Loan agreement is very fine. There is a loan asking a certain entrepreneur or business person is asking for a certain amount of money as loan. In that case, how far the party is capable and have the skill and efficiency to continue his business operations so that is be the sustainable. And bank's responsibility goes to the observing the how far actually the that woman or the gentleman, the farmer or the agriculture or the industrialist can perform these things. So, bank has to, after even with the very starting of the business organization, bank has to observe very skillfully how far the organization is running and carrying on its activities, so that the party will be changed. Then monitoring and supervising implement, then collecting loan. The collection of loan is to some extent is a very problematic and critical in nature. If loan receiver is having a huge earning, and basing upon that huge earning, he can disburse loan to the multiple people. But in this connection, so many of organizations, I mean the banking organizations or especially government organizations, are not that much interested or inclined to purchase at the right time. If the loan takers are not able to pay back the regular installments, then there will be a sue against him. There will sue against him, and so that he will be bound to maintain the, maintain the recovery. For the better recovery, bank has to settle the right entrepreneur, incomable entrepreneur. If that entrepreneur is not that much level qualified or to fit to procure procure within the incomable atmosphere, so that should be considered first. Otherwise, the recovery will become very tough. So, solvent parties are the very target of the banks in general. Then now we have to discuss about the sources of credit information. Oh, how many times? What is the time? Hello?
Time আছে 7 মিনিট আছে
So, the sources of credit information, yes. How we can get the information and messages from the different sources that is to first confirm. There is the particulars of application. In this application form, so many information, messages, facts, documents, nature of the business, home district and present address, all these things are very clearly mentioned there. And so that learning all these things, the young entrepreneur will be highly benefited, not only for the young chap, but also the entrepreneurs, those who are engaged in business. Then, about this loan project, all sorts of information must be mentioned in the application form. Then related documents, and discussed it earlier, related documents, what is the related document? Is the trade license, company registration, then VAT certificate, this type of papers and documents are need to be submitted. Then the balance sheet and income statement. Balance sheet and income statement of the company must be submitted. To the bank when asking for loan. And at the same time, necessary documents. Balance sheet of the last year, balance sheet and the financial statement, income statement. All these things indicate the financial strength and capability of the bank and the financial institutions as a whole, and the financial strength of that business organizations as a whole. Then, neighbor person or institutions. Sometimes bank may ask the statement from the neighbor persons or from some other reputed organizations, those who can prescribe or those who can certify about the party, about that party asking for loan. Then the bank employee, and then if as per the size of the loan amount asked by the party, if this size is huge in size, then bank may deport some officers or some other personnel to take necessary messages and informations of that person where he remains, and at the same time his business organizations regarding the overall performance of these business organizations, his managerial capabilities, at the same time his financial image. Then information preserved will be preserved in bank. This is the information. This is the information in variety. Multiple information messages regarding that applicant must be collected and procured by the bank. Then the same nature project. If the bank likes to provide loan or sanctioning loan, if already provided loan facilities to the same nature project, and if so, then observing the performance of that same nature project, then bank will be able to sanction a certain amount of money. Then purpose of taking advances. What is the purpose? What is the reason behind it for application for taking loans and advances from the banks? Is it for industrialization or for general trading or for mitigating the daily expenditures of a certain factory or of the business center? That should be very clearly expressed and mentioned. Then source of repayment. Yes, source of repayment. What is the source of repayment? Yeah, monthly salary, other wages, benefits, allowances, at the same time own business transactions, surplus of the business transactions, and also own property. By selling out the own assets, the bank can do a studies business and can provide or sanction loan amount to that in favor of that client. Okay, so thank you very much. Dear students, is already evening. Near evening, not already, not it's near evening. Best of luck. God bless you.